Greetings. Now you will see the work of the most advanced trading bot. This is MaxBot channel. Here I, a trader with 9 years of experience, show how I take big profits with the help of neural network. I will start working with the currency pair Euro, US dollar, expiry time 2 minutes. I will enter the first trade for $300. The bot gives a forecast in 3 seconds. Its recommendation in this case is higher. Our team gives you the opportunity to use 3 signals from the bot for free, after which you will be able to purchase the full version of this tool at a 90% discount and work without limits. There are 10 discounted seats left. Link in the description. And now I will reflect on the logic of the signal from the robot by doing a quick technical analysis using the TradingView service. Bulls periodically saturated the market with volumes in the last hour, bringing the downtrend into a state close to consolidation. After the rapid fall of the price and powerful impact of resistance areas, the buyers gathered their strength and managed to form their support area, preventing the price from falling again. I believe that in this situation there is a high probability of a continuation of the sideways movement and even a rebound from the support area upwards. I think that the robot thought in the same way and decided to signal higher, taking into account these factors as well. Let's wait for the end of the trade. Attention! There is a large-scale comment contest on our channel. You can win a great prize of $1,000 by following a few steps. Watch this video from the beginning to the end, subscribe to this YouTube channel, give a like to this video and write one comment on the subject of trading. I would like to draw your attention to the fact that only those viewers who watch the video to the end will participate in this contest. I choose one winner each week using a randomizer. Our team publishes the results of the contest on our Telegram channel. Subscribe to it at the link in the description. In addition to the results of the contests there, I publish important educational information that will help you quickly develop your skills and pump up your thinking for professional work with currency pairs and not only. Good luck to everyone. So the bot was right. Its signal was accurate. Super. $267. Now I'm going to consolidate the success. I'll make a trade on another currency pair. Australian dollar Swiss franc, good payout. To get the forecast, you just need to press the 2 corresponding keys in the bot's menu. Its signal in this case is higher. Market entry point $500. MaxBot's arsenal has all the key tools you need for accurate forecasting. The developers have taught it candlestick and technical analysis, skills of working with 30 technical indicators and price action. And now let's think again why the bot gave a signal for higher. We can immediately see by contrast how buyers have stepped up in the past hour. The bears' dominance is over and the bulls' volumes have started to saturate the market. This led to stabilization of the situation. The downtrend was replaced by a sideways movement. Now there is a good opportunity for the price to bounce from the support zone, to bounce higher. I think that the flat will continue, but sometimes there will be a correction. And it is possible that at some point there will be a rebound upwards. I think the robot was also thinking in the same way. The indicators also show that the probability of such a development is high. The price has recently reached a local minimum and touched the lower Bollinger Band, which is one of the criteria for a high probability of a higher reversal. Stochastic oscillator also shows and confirms this idea. Let's wait for the end of the trade. And now you can see feedback from people who use MaxBot to achieve great results on a regular basis on your screen. These people have implemented the tool into their trading strategies and increased their profit amounts many times over. It is better to be friends with modern technologies than to avoid them. After all, the world is changing very quickly and you need to be one step ahead to be successful. And here's the result of the deal. The recommendation from artificial intelligence has helped me again. $425 is already in my pocket. But that's not all. Now I will enter the third deal on the currency pair Euro, Swiss franc. I increased the amount of entry into the market twice, up to $1,000. Let's take a big profit right now. I'm ready for it. And the bot is always ready to help me. His new signal is higher. Volatility is now increased. The news background is active. By the way, after purchasing the robot at a 90% discount, you will get access to a private VIP chat where our experienced professionals analyze the market. There, our team analyzes various market situations, shares their thoughts, and also shares current signals. Now look at the chart, friends. I want to look at the historical data to see what the trends are. Little by little, the bulls' volumes are saturating the market. They do it more often than the bears' volumes. So in the past hour the situation has leveled off after the local downtrend. There was a sideways movement, which was replaced by moments of higher prices. These higher prices were insignificant, however, it is a systematic and consistent process. Resistance areas restrained the price from significant growth, but slow growth still occurs. In this situation there is no room for a downtrend. There is a prospect that within the 2-minute expiry time we will get a profit. I think that the robot was guided by a similar logic. It tested its judgment with additional tools. I would like to remind you that the accuracy of its signals is from 89 to 95%. Each person receives unlimited forecasts from him. Working according to this structure, you will become millionaires. The bot knows everything that its developers have studied for 9 years. And all this experience is given to you for a symbolic fee. The bot will triple your deposit on the first day. The investment you make at a 90% discount will pay for itself in the first hours of operation. So, the signal is accurate. The account received $810. The total profit for 3 operations is great, $1,502. Thank you for your attention, friends. Subscribe to the channel, put a like and click on the bell. See you soon.